Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TTVNEWS with some last events in our province, and here are our stories today. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrating the 77th anniversary of the establishment of the Vietnam People Army, implementing the social welfare program with the theme Connecting the Borders, on December 17, Ho Chi Minh City Party Committee of Civil Political Bloc visited and gave gifts to policy families in Tân Biên District, Tay Ninh Province.
The delegation visited and gave gifts to the Vietnamese heroic mothers and 10 seriously wounded soldiers in Tân Biên District. The gifts included face masks, some necessities, and cash. On this occasion, the delegation also presented to Tân Biên District 2,500 medical face masks and 200 sets of protective clothing with level 3, along with the meaningful activities at the border guard station of Samat International Border Gate. The delegation and sponsors organized the inauguration ceremony of 2 RO reverse osmosis water purifier projects with a capacity of 300 liters per hour for officers and soldiers of the border guard station and Samat International Border Gate Post. The total value of the 2 projects is 160 million Vietnam dong. The above funding source is supported by organizations under the Party Committee of the Ho Chi Minh City Party Committee of the Civil Political Bloc, donated by the John Stark Commercial Bank for Foreign Trade to Vietnam Ho Chi Minh branch.
In the context that the number of infected cases in the community and death tolls tend to increase rapidly in many localities, while the medical oxygen supply may be shortage, the Ministry of Health is applying many measures to control COVID-19 synchronously, strengthen inspection, supervision, and management of F0 cases in the community. According to the Ministry of Health, during the 4th wave of COVID-19 pandemic, as of December 19, the whole country recorded more than 1.5 million cases with nearly 29,000 deaths. In the face of the rapid increasing situation of cases in localities, the Ministry of Health has mobilized 16 central hospitals to support 11 provinces and cities nationwide in treatment work and dispatch medical staff with experience in fighting the pandemic to continue to support in the southern provinces and cities with a high number of serious cases and deaths. According to the Ministry of Health, the number of cases in southern localities is still increasing, so monitoring and managing F0 cases at home must have a focus, along with continuing to maintain and improve the capacity of COVID-19 resuscitation centers. The southern provinces and cities must strengthen the management of people over 50 years old with underlying diseases for active surveillance of vaccination and can be vaccinated at home. In addition, the Ministry of Health especially requests associations and enterprises producing, supplying, and distributing medical oxygen in Vietnam to commit and focus on prioritizing sources of medical oxygen production and supply to serve the community pandemic prevention and control in the context of current increasing pandemic. At the same time, continuing focusing on communication work in order to raise the awareness of implementing the safe, flexible adaptation and effective disease control methods. Ladies and gentlemen, the webinar OCOP Tay Ninh Province promoting local products has just been organized by the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development with the participation of leaders of departments, branches in Tay Ninh Province, the Tay Ninh Young Entrepreneurs Association, and many businesses. And speaking at the opening of the webinar, Mr. Nguyễn Xuân, Director of the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, emphasized that implementing the program One Commune, One Product OCOP, Tay Ninh has been promoting its potential and local strength, contributing to brand building and increasing competitiveness. Since the implementation of OCOP program, many agricultural products of the province have been focused on production, constantly improving the quality and design of products and expanding the market. The OCOP program has created a playground and opportunity for the farmers to associate and cooperate in producing quality products that are suitable for the market demand. After 2 years of implementing the program, the province has 27 OCOP products, including 5 of the 4-star level products, and the products have confirmed the prestigious brand in the market favored by the consumer. Participants in the webinars also gave their opinions on increasing the promotion of OCOP products, create more favorable conditions for OCOP products to enter supermarket chains and green stores, etc. Developing products under OCOP programs will exploit the strengths of agricultural products and services along the value chain. Mr. Tu Văn Hùng, Director of the Department of Culture, Sports and Tourism, said that the industry will connect and build a program for OCOP products to be associated with the province tourism development. And currently, Tay Ninh Province has completed the application for Tay Ninh shrimp and chili salt to be recognized as a national intangible cultural heritage. In the upcoming of OCOP program, Tay Ninh will focus on exploiting potential products and local strengths, along with the participation of the political system and the people efforts. The development of products in the OCOP program will exploit the strengths of agricultural products and services along with the value chain, creating a driving force for promotion, economic development, and effective implementation of new rural construction in the whole province. Industry promotion program has helped many businesses and farming in Tay Ninh Province improve production and trading efficiency, boosting the local economy. In recent years, Tay Ninh Province industry and trade sector has implemented vocational training programs, helping enterprises produce more modern production lines, develop production, improve product quality, and create additional jobs. In 2021, the local industry promotion program funded 8 projects, helping 7 producers apply advanced machinery and equipment in the production of industrial and handicraft products, and 1 enterprise participated in non-industrial and commercial good fairs. According to authorities, industry promotion has been helped rural industry development by increasing manufacturers' productivity, improving product quality, saving raw materials and energy, minimizing environmental pollution, and create new products. Some industry promotion benefit carriers exported products to the US, Malaysia, Thailand, Chinese Taipei, and Republic of Korea. The industry promotion program has helped reduce hunger and poverty, also contributing to the province's new rural area construction program. The State Bank of Vietnam has just sent a written request to the bank's foreign bank branches, payment intermediary service providers, and units to the State Bank of perform well the payment work on the occasion of the end of 2021 and the Lunar New Year of 2022. Accordingly, banks and foreign bank branches ensure stable, safe, and keep operation of payment system and payment services. Actively develop and implement specific plans for ATM operation at the end of 2021 and the Lunar New Year in 2022, while perform the coordination to state budget revenues and expenditures at the end of the year and allocate appropriate resources to maintain payment transactions, promptly serve the collection and payment activities, make payments from the state budgets, promptly handle inquiries and complaints of customers according to regulations. For organizations providing intermediary payment services, the State Bank of Vietnam also requires strengthening communication, guiding customers to use the service, and conducting the safe transaction during the end of 2021 and the Lunar New Year 2022. Prioritize the implementation of mobile money services in rural, mountainous, remote, and border areas, especially for those areas that have not ATM and bank branches. And ladies and gentlemen, implementing the decision number 1318 dated July the 22nd of 2021 of the Prime Minister on approving the plan for the development of collective economy and cooperatives in the period of 2021 to 2025, clearly defining important roles of collective economy, with the core being cooperatives in the process of rural economic development. Tay Ninh Province has spent many years developing cooperatives and cooperative groups in the connecting value chains associated with local key products, new style rural construction, and the One Commune, One Product OCOP program. According to the Provincial Cooperative Union, by the end of November of 2021, the province has more than 120 cooperative groups registered to operate in accordance with the law, in which there are 69 cooperative groups operating in the fields of agriculture, attracting more than 1,460 members. 24 industrial handicraft cooperation groups attracting more than 500 members. In the first 11 months of the year, the province has established 18 new cooperatives. Up to now, the province has about 160 cooperatives and 6 branches of the Union of Cooperatives, an increasing of 19 cooperatives over the same period. And when Tay Ninh Province restore production and business in the new situation, Phước Ninh Agricultural Production Trade Service Cooperative has stepped up the production scale to have products to supply to the cooperative. Now I'm preparing to reproduce normal again in order to have the products to supply to the cooperative, and currently I'm planting some varieties such as amaranth, water spinach and cinnamon. My wish that is so quick soon the pandemic will be over to facilitate the production, and our varieties will also be feel more secure. The linking and cooperation in agricultural production is an indispensable direction for the development of modern and sustainable agriculture. Standardization products quality criteria, creating a large enough quantity of goods to meet the requirements of the market. Being well aware of that in the past time, the Tay Ninh Province has paid attention to developing cooperation and association between the enterprises, cooperatives and farmers in production, building brands, promoting trades, consuming agricultural products and developing products of OCOP. The OCOP program has also created a playground and opportunity for the farmers to cooperate and produce quality products that are suitable for the market demand. And after 2 years of implementing the program, the province has 27 OCOP products, in which there are 5 of the 4-star level products, which are Hoàng Xuân Melon, Natani Custable, Vĩnh Xuân Custable Juice, and Vương Ngọc Vegan Custable White, and TayNinhTV Super Thin Rice Paper. The production have confirmed the prestigious brand in the market and favored by customers. Many agricultural products of the cooperatives and cooperative groups are being distributed in the supermarkets, restaurants, and business establishments inside and outside the province. In order to promote collective and cooperative economic development, many support policies for agricultural production are currently available, such as policy to support the products of linkages, support for safe and organic production, and application support high technology for a film house net house is implemented through cooperatives and investment enterprises in the fields of agriculture and rural areas. And currently, the pandemic has been controlled. Returning to a new normal state, the cooperative continues to associate with its members as well as seek to cooperation with a number of other cooperative groups to produce some goods, leafy vegetables, and meeting market demand, supplying enough goods for the companies and businesses not only in Tay Ninh Province but also in neighboring provinces such as Bình Dương and Bình Phước provinces. Director of the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, Nguyễn Xuân said that in order for agricultural cooperative model to develop more stably in the coming time, the province continues to focus on propagating and training the law on cooperatives, perfecting mechanisms, policies, and guiding documents for the implementation of the law on cooperatives in 2012, strengthen and improve the efficiency of state management over cooperatives, develop models of agricultural cooperatives, and provide agricultural services associated with the typical rural products and key products of the province, as well as OCOP products, strengthening linkages, especially between the cooperatives and cooperatives groups in the direction of establishing a union of cooperatives, linking cooperatives with enterprises to increase production scale, create products and goods supply chains that are large enough and competitive to meet the market demand. And that's all for the TTV News today. Thank you for joining us and see you more next time.